I would like to welcome you all and thank everyone who make the time to participate. I would like also to thank our THC team for everything they do every day to push THC forward and to keep THC strong and stronger.
I would like to thank everything starts from the top, and the top, it's not me. The top is the gentleman that you saw on stage, and the top are the people that you see around the table, board members, chairman. If you are supported the way you are, and we are supported, it's because of them. We have a huge stability since many years. I have their trust, you have their trust, and this is making a huge difference on the growth that we will talk about and on the expansion of THC.